Hello, here is Rodrigo Togores, and here I am again for playing wind-ups another time. Yeah, today I want to play wind-ups. And yeah, you will see the later deck. Wait, no, leaf pool. We want to play a match. Jam pool. I played this last days 2 games for cash in Capirovics side and was more or less fine. I won both. I've recorded it, but the sound is bad or in Spanish or so I'm speaking. Though I am not recording because I wanted to fix 100% into the game to win. I am trying to upload then in speed up motion, but I am not able to do it. I don't know. I tried, but I followed a tutorial on YouTube, but so if you want to see these videos, I have them without sound and normal speed. So let's see if then in the YTS San Diego this last weekend there was one wind up top 32 and one wind up top 4. I think I have the list here. So I have the list here. That's the top 4 wind ups, so 42 cards, and I prefer the Vanisher and Diffusers. They play this against Mermal, and so I don't really like so much, but Book of Moon is also not a really powerful card right now. And that's the top 32. Also plays this. Set Prisoner inside. Plays Avarice, plays Gosus. So it's pretty standard, so really should not, and the results should not differ from my deck. So okay, we are starting. So against Jade. I've already, okay, last game I lost. I had over 1000 points in match. I like this. I enjoy this. Now a new format with. Okay, this one is not really. Okay, we are wishing good luck. Then we are searching for a rat. That's not the best we can hope. But okay, we have like 3 level 3 exits and 1 level 5 with Invoker. So ready to lose our hand in 10 seconds. So seems like so. Rodrigo, yeah. Goodbye so soon. Okay. Okay, then we have to start. Oh, he's going to pass the turn. Okay, we are searching for wind up rabbits. What is he doing? So we are summoning the rabbit. Let's see if we can. We want to search now. Yeah. Okay, and if something happens, we have the dark hole. So that's going to get easy and fast. Dark hole. We search the warrior. Now, we like our floaters, or we prefer 10 mines. We are going to 10 mines him away. And dark hole. So spy will be nice. Okay, 2 extra. Normal summon. Okay, our opponent had no removal, so we won this with easy. No, this is not okay. So we will finish chain. I really dislike the finish chain. In this matchup, that and that is also not so great. I think the snowmans are nice. One, two, three. Okay. So leaving the dualities. I like to side them more removal, but yeah, okay. Don't get raped by your attribute. So he started with Ryu 3 back row, and we're going to side in the next game the snowmans. So and okay. He's afraid of my rabbit. Yes, someday to make something. She wants me. Okay, we make a little prison. There comes another one. Oh, spy. Oh, that's nice. If that's a spy, we are going to warning it If not, I have the warning. I don't want to. I want to. If you flip it, I negate it. So here I I don't really want to. Oh, he has MST. So we are going to MST this. Oh no. Yeah, we're going to MST if. We don't shuffle our hand so that he thinks. Our best plan is to get rid of his. Get rid of his Necro Valleys. We have all 3 MST, so. Okay. That was a problem for not setting the third. Okay, if he royal tributors, I really don't care. We banish. We're going to destroy every monster he summons. That makes us quite happy. We have warning on the road. And dark hole. Let's see if we draw another monster. Okay, he has no more Necro Valleys. Now the spy, we are making nothing with him. Okay, prison him. Oh, Magician. Sweet, 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 sweet. We are left. Storm. Road. Oh. That's not so good for us. So. Okay, then we are warning this. Okay. That's not the best for us, never, but... Okay, he has no field, so or... We still play all the removal we have in the world. So... Warning. We are going to take out a red if we succeed. We don't want to give him extra cards, so we don't really care. Oh, That's hard, and this is gonna die. I did not expect this. We have already... Whoa. Our life is quite hard right now. I make a dark hole and he compulsive monster. So now... Gosu match is not bad for us, easily. We just... Maybe I'm going to take Fontech and MST and put in a Dropstone. I'm really liking the card. Ooh, aye. Sweet. So we are going to Dropstone. Okay. We would like to get a few rabbits. And here it goes, the Mirror Force. Oh. This guy never gives up. Okay. I got rid of all his Necrovalids, but he still has... Okay. That's 1-5. I... okay. He's a smart guy. And what is he doing? Why this game so? Okay. He has much more cards than I have, yes. Okay. Here's Storm. He wants me. I should have not make this. Um, we are going to attack. Uh, that's bad. We are going to lose anyway, so we are going rage. Let's see what he got. Level 4. Deer Wolf. There is another rat, I think. Yeah. So Soul of the Silver Mountain, yeah. Detach. We have to do this. So we can special summon this in defense. Attack directly. And then we could have maybe take him out. That's another golden match. We are going to count this monster, yeah. So would have been nice. So Dark Hole, yes. Dark Hole, no. Okay, so removed. He has one Ryu, one commander, and one of this. So he has no more commanders. He has no more recruiters. He has one more spy. He has one more, so I think this should be okay to enter, and let's see what happens. Yeah, that was... yeah. So... I think Duel is fine card. Just the Cyber Dragons. Also, so normal summon. We are going to search for more rabbits. And set 3. With a few more, we could have decked him out. But okay, happens. Thunder King, Thunder King. Yeah, we are going here. Rabbit beat down. No. Vanish and the trophies. I forgot to. We're going to play out the shark. Okay. So now we have few options. He can have the Morphinger too. I think is the most possible. He can have. So we should. Tiras. I really don't like to lose my rabbits. So we Fiesta Spy. YOLO. I'm going to tier this and then have way. Okay. I love the Duel.